this is to show you how to disengage video, shelf, and all the electronic aspect of the shelf. We have to disengage it and restore it again, which I will show you in my next video. So I have already dismantled this at the beginning because of the video was not properly positioned. So now we have to remove this speaker so it can enable us to do whatever I want to do. Quite gently, it comes down. Then this is the cable wire, the video cable wire. You remove it quietly, gently, and then keep this. And keep the remote. Then we have to disengage these two quietly. Sorry about that. Disengage it quietly. Also, I have to really know where every wire is connected to avoid scattering the whole thing abnormally. So here we go. Yes, so bring down this, bring it down, and make sure that nothing is left. This is the cable, the sound system signal wire. So you have to really be careful to avoid damages. So we remove these two, and then gently bring them out with the power cord. Put it aside because we want to do some essential work here. So you can see what I'm doing. I don't want anything to get damaged. So here we go. Then the power cord has to be removed from here gently, quietly, and gently. So we have the whole of the shelf now on the wall. So now I have to gently remove the shelf with the screwdriver. This is my screwdriver. So here we go. First of all, remove anything that is on top. Then we go by losing the first layer. Gently, it's glass. Quietly and gently. Quietly and gently. And it's breakable since it's glass. So whatever you are doing, you have to be careful so you don't damage it. So here we go. This has been removed. Yes. Now quietly bring it out. Put it aside. The nut aside. So go for the second layer. Mind you, this should be done with carefulness. So use this quietly, gently. Bring it out carefully. Yeah. Here we go. This is the second layer. Drop the nut. So you can see the stand on the wall. I have to still carefully bring that out. Everything that is together on the wall. So we have to lose this stand first. The lever of each of the layer. Yes. Carefully drop that. Mind you, this is how you can do this with all carefulness. go for this. Carefully remove this. Bring it out. Mind you, this must not fall on the ground, because you have to carefully hold it down so that it don't fall. It falls, everything is over. Hold it, carefully remove it. Fine. Go for this other one. Carefully remove it. So see that? So you see, Adibia did not carefully hold it, it will have fallen. So you can keep it down. And then this is the skeleton, back skeleton. You still have to go for it and lose it. Okay, let's suspend. Okay, let's actually lose this if we are going to have anything. Do we really have to lose this? Okay, let's go ahead and lose it. Let's lose it since we still want to work on it later on. So lose it. There we go. It's coming up. This have been tapped. The screw has a kind of wall tapped that is holding it when you tighten it, when you are pushing it into the wall. First of all, I bore the hole and put the wall tap so that it can hold it while pushing it into the wall. You can see the water. These are the water I put it there with the rubber water. So this is it, gentlemen. Then disengage all this. Then in my next video, I'll be showing you how to reinstall this. For now, we are done with disabling the washer. Thank you, and continue watching and subscribe to my video. God bless you.